I got to bring Tony's truck over to our tech center here and show you guys how to do the rust repair up in the front ceiling there where it gets a lot of rust sometimes. After that, I'll be taking it to the sandblaster to get blasted, and then I'll be doing body work and everything like that. And I needed a cart to roll the cab around on. Now, normally what I do is I go get 2x2 square metal and I cut it all up and I make my cart out of that. But it does run about 150 bucks in metal, and it does take about 3 or 4 hours to work to do. So what I did is just found a frame for 100 bucks that had gotten smashed in the front, and for 100 bucks I got all my metal and all my labor done just like that. Cut off the ends, put on the wheels, and I was basically done. Now, when you're going to go with wheels, don't get the cheapest wheels you can get. Get some really nice, big, fat wheels, usually at least like 6 inches, and get the rubber ones, because when you're going up the ramps and all the unsurfaced roads and stuff like that, the rubber is just going to be better, and the bigger the wheel is better. I didn't get 6 inches on this one just because I got these on sale and I had them around. So, but also when you're putting your wheels on, you got a couple of different choices there. You've got stationary wheels that don't pivot, and they just go straight back and forth, and so you can put that on one side if you like, because sometimes people find if you have the swivel style like I've got on the back right here, it makes things just a little bit too willy-nilly. Now, if you're going to be getting the swivel side, then you want to make sure you have the ones with the locks on it, because you're going to want to put that lock on and keep it from moving around when you are transporting it. If you're going to be doing work on it and things, you don't want to have to be climbing in it or doing body work and it moving around on you. So make sure you get the locks if you're getting the swivels. So save yourself a bunch of money in metal, save yourself a bunch of money in time. Take a look around and see if you can't find an old smashed up frame, or sometimes long bed frames are pretty inexpensive because everybody's converting over to short bed frames. And maybe you can get lucky, and for 100 bucks, you can get yourself a cart to be doing all your work on too. My name's David Welch. I'm at Brothers Tech Center every single week, making sure your truck gets back on the road and looks good, and you've got some way to get it there. You make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram, whatever else they invent. But make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, because all these helpful handy hints, they're going to go to waste if you don't see them. We'll see you next time, man.